In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel.
Count and count A. Basically, we are just counting the number of cells in which there are values or there is text. Let's look at example. So let's say we want to count in how many cells the values are present, right? So since these are not numbers, these are text, we are going to use function as is equal to count A, open the brackets, select the range C5 to C8, close the bracket, enter. So 4. So there are 4 cells in which there is text. Now if you delete any cell, it will automatically change. And similarly, if we want to find in how many cells there is value present, so it will be just count without A because it is numbers and not text. Count the number of cells in which there is values in this range. So count range, enter. So it is 4. Correct? Simple. And same you can do this here and just select the horizontal range. Perfect?
You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.